Paglabas ni Joaquin sa confession room, agad naman niyang sinimulan ng level up ng kanyang sakripisyo.
Grabe na sunblock siya. Grabe yun. Go,
Go, Akin! Go, Akin!
Busog natin, bro.
Go, Ax!
This is like,
Okay, hindi
feel
mo
like Kuya's gonna add
Hindi
something.
ka ba pwede mag-socks? Hindi ba masakit sa ganito?
Kaya may kailangan ka water. Pwede ka naman.
Yeah, pwede naman.
Salas, salas.
Nasasakal na yung paa ko. Socks. If I step too far, ang masasakal po yung paa ko po. So, I have to be conscious at all times na dapat tama lang po talaga yung mga steps ko po. As in, super uncomfortable po talaga siya.
In, walk out. Walk in, walk out, walk in, walk out, walk in, walk out. Walk in, walk out, walk in, walk out, walk in, walk out. Walk in, walk out. So what, bro?
This is for 4 plates.
For 4 plates for dinner?
Mahalaga po para sa akin na matapos ko po yung task. Dahil ito po yung pagkain po ng mga nasa ultimate eye po, kuya. I'd want their stomachs to be full. I'd want them to be happy po, kuya.
Joaquin, if need mo ng water, ha? Sabi ko.
Thank you.
Makalipas ang ilang oras,
Go, Joaquin! Water. Okay lang. Joaquin, water.
Paano?
Thank you so much.
Go, Joaquin. Kasi mas na-absorb niya yung light.
Mainit po talaga yung panahon po kanina. Nakatapat po sa akin yung araw. The connection I've built to these people, that's enough to make me willing to sacrifice for them. On top of that po, kuya, if I'm willing to sacrifice for people I've known for 4 months, what more would I be willing to sacrifice for my family? And what more would parents be willing to sacrifice for their children?
How will you define sacrifice now?
Etong sacrifice ngayong araw ay isang physical task. Yes, I get tired from this. Masakit at medyo uncomfortable po yung foot cuffs ko po. It's mentally challenging. Giving up your goodness or your comfortability or anything that's good to you for the goodness, comfortability, or well-being of other people po, kuya. If a sacrifice is done for someone you love, it wouldn't feel like a sacrifice po, kuya. But it's just what my mom sacrificed yung mga dreams po niya, yung mga job opportunities po niya. She could have earned so much more and she could have chased after what she really wanted in life. And all of that was just, right? Just to raise me. Gutom ba kayo?
I'm more thirsty.
Sige. As soon as I'm done with this, kuha ako ng tubig. Kuya, with all honesty, hindi ko po talaga natapat yung sacrifice po ng nanay ko po para sa akin. Just from the sacrifice I did today, kuya. Yes, it could be a simulation. It could be a, kumbaga, symbolism.
Joaquin, mayroon ka na lamang 2 minuto na natitira para dito.
Dalawang minuto na lang. Joaquin, walk out. Joaquin, Joaquin, walk out.
Kumaan po talaga yung loob ko at natuwa po talaga ako nung nag-cheer po sila para sa akin po, kuya. Na-motivate po ako para i-push ko po yung sarili ko po.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.